So APC and lies and fabrication, they are like what we used to know as 5 and 6. Today, federal government has denied bailing Peter Obi out of detention in UK. But as you would expect, that young man called adamugarba, or whatever thing his name is, will always continue to share fake news, fake pictures. That social media senior advocate of Nigeria, San Festus Keyamo, is another individual that we don't even know how he got his certificates. How on earth will you be sharing fake pictures, Photoshop pictures that Abike Dabiri intervened to rescue Peter Obi from detention in UK? Today, even the leadership newspaper confirmed it that APC or Abike Dabiri has no connection to Peter Obi's release from detention in UK. The federal government of Nigeria has denied news making the rounds that it intervened in the detention ordeal of the Labour Party presidential candidate Peter Obi in London, United Kingdom last week. Leadership newspaper reported that Peter Obi was briefly detained at Heathrow Airport in London in a case of mistaken identity during his trip to celebrate Easter in the UK. A fake photo since yesterday, has gone viral on the social media on Thursday, purportedly showing the executive chairman of the Nigerians in Diaspora Commission, NICOM, Honorable Abike Dabiri-Erewa, seated in an office with Peter Obi and a UK law enforcement officer in order to secure the Labour Party presidential candidate Peter Obi's release. This is all lies. And another out of school children in the north is this Bashar Ahmed. If you don't know the out of school children we are talking about, Bashar Ahmed is one of them. Another one is called adamugarba. These two people, they are another out of school children. They should even be arrested. These guys are going scot-free. You look at a man who has reputation, who has done so well for his state and the country. You are just circulating fake news. Isn't that a punishable offense? Isn't this an offense that should get these people behind bars? But of course, they are in APC, all past criminals. Nothing will happen to them. Bashar Ahmed tweeted, "I heard Abike Dabiri has done it for the compatriot that needed her intervention in the UK. God bless you and the services you have been rendering for our countrymen and women, especially this recent one, man." Now, a man who is a special advisor to the president is not even getting the right information. There was a time that President Muhammadu Buhari told Nigerians that he gets his information from newspaper. He has special advisor on information. He has minister of information. He has all the employees around him to give him legit information. He said he's reading on newspaper. Newspaper could be wrong. And here we are. A man who's a special advisor to the president on media is saying he had. And he wasn't sure and he tweeted that. This is crazy. Ahmad wrote, "I had you see, I don't know what is really wrong with these people." Spokesperson and head of media public relation and protocol unit of NICOM, Abdul Rahman Balogun, has disowned the viral photo, describing it as a stunt. He said that the NICOM woman, our boss, Abike Dabiri, was not in the UK and not in a position to secure the release of any Nigerian suspected to be under UK interrogation. He went ahead to say, "Our attention has been called to the above social media stunt which has gone viral. Abike Dabiri-Erewa is not in UK and not in position to secure the release of any Nigerian suspected to be under UK interrogation. So members of the public should disregard the information in its entirety," the NICOM spokesman stated. So, should the law enforcement agencies now go and arrest this guy at adamugarba? They won't, because they are in APC. Should they go and arrest Bashar Ahmed? They won't. That's how bad this country has become. It's shameful.